Forgotten username recovery failed on Vanguard Personal Advisor Fix. If you've tried recovering your Vanguard Personal Advisor username and failed, most people make the mistake of using outdated emails or skipping verification steps. You won't believe how simple it can be to get back into your account when you follow the correct process. Step 1. Go to the Vanguard website or app and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Vanguard will send a recovery email containing your username or secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically, and multiple requests in a short time may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, prepare verification information such as your full name, date of birth, and recent transactions. Contact Vanguard support directly with this information, providing details about recent portfolio activity. Investment plans or linked accounts can speed up verification. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, save it in a secure password manager. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection and prevent future login issues. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your Vanguard Personal Advisor account efficiently, keeping your investments and financial planning uninterrupted. Proper verification and credential management are essential for smooth and secure access.